Gas stations didn't always offer refreshments, and highway rest stops weren't yet what they are today. For traveling salesmen, delivery drivers, and long-haul motorists, a hot cup of coffee on the go was revolutionary. Greater Than and the Germans, being Germans, engineered it into the car. Safely, efficiently, and with ceramic cups included. Surprisingly, yes. By 1950s standards. The machine included a fuse system to prevent overheating, a pressure release valve, a locking mechanism so it wouldn't brew while the car was moving, unless bypassed by clever drivers.